Well, g'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Crook, and welcome back to our channel. Well, today we're off to Shelley Beach again. I'm just waiting for Dad to arrive. He's been driving me nuts all week. He loves that spot, and he loves fishing bream in the shallows on the rocks. So I've just got my gear together here, and I'm going to get myself organised. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please click the link above to subscribe and hit the little bell notification to get your updates weekly. I'm just going to run you through some of the gear we're using today. I've got my favourite old 12-foot bream rod. Just there, beautiful old rod that one. Had it for a long time. Of course my Albi reel to go with it. My bait bucket. Tackle, nice and simple. And my hungry bag, that's where all my gear goes. I've got my plates for safety. Give you fantastic grip on the rocks. Hat, some bait. Just using prawns today, nice and simple. Wet weather gear because there has been a shower or two around. All fits in there nicely. Nice and easy to carry it around. All set to go. Just got to wait for Dad to arrive now, and we'll get down to Shelley and see if we can catch a few fish. And here he is, he's just arriving. Morning, Dad.
Morning.
Hey?
Bringing over this side barrel.
Excited?
Oh yeah.
You love this spot, don't you? Hey? Come on, it's one of your favourites.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, come up well, didn't it? Yeah, I had to fix that rod. Split the winch last week.
Yeah, very nice.
So what's our expectations today?
Oh, a few bream.
A few bream?
Yeah.
Hey? You going to outdo me again?
Try.
Yeah, won't be hard, I don't think. All right, go and get the rest of my gear.
Oh yeah.
Well, I've just arrived down at Shelley Park. It's a beautiful morning down here. Light wind from the southwest, I think it is today. And not a lot of swell. It's going to be interesting today to see if we get a few bream. The bream do like the white water and in the shallows. And if there's not much wash down there, they may not come in, but we'll go and have a look and see how we go. Going to get organised here, Dad?
Yeah. Stick your plates on.
Yeah. Pretty safe sort of the area down here. Not what you call dangerous rock fishing. It's very shallow. If you fell over, you're only in about a metre of water, probably, or less. And it's a good safe spot. That's why Dad's fished it for many years. Alright, we've arrived at our little spot we're going to fish today. We're a little bit to the south of Shelley Pools. It's just down there behind us here. It's a spot that Dad fished last week by himself and got a couple of nice bream. He's just out on this these couple of rocks here. And there's a beautiful little gutter that runs down between, off the edge of those rocks. And he was getting the bream last week in that little gutter. Just where there's waves coming along now, where it reforms into that little hole there. So it's a pretty nice morning down here, and hopefully we find a few fish. No doubt about him. I'm just getting the camera set up and he's into a fish already. First bait. Hey, are you going to let me wet a line? There's a beautiful brim. First bait of the morning. Scotty, suck it right down too. Right down deep. Oh, let me get a bait in the water now. There you go, guys. That's my first bait of the day, and you've seen Dad's first bait of the day. This shallow water brim fishing around the rocks of Cronulla and many other spots up and down along the New South Wales coast is very productive. You just got to learn how to fish it. Simple setup, an Albi reel, a nice long soft rod, a very, very small sinker, right down onto the hook, as you can see. Okay, very simple. Pearl prawns, nippers, pilchard for bait, it doesn't really matter. Just great fun, really good fun. So 2 brim, 2 baits. Well, we've got a pretty heavy downpour now down here at Shelley, and just coming over to see how Dad's going. And someone's forgotten their wet weather gear.
It's in the car.
Hey?
It's in the car.
Silly Billy. How many years have you fished down here and you've forgotten your wet weather gear? You know what it's like down here. It can rain at any time. Anyway, I'm going to head down to the corner of the pools now and have a bit of a go down there.
In my favourite spot.
And before you get your brim out of your favourite spot. Well, Dad and I have had a really nice morning down here at Shelley today, and we've got a few nice brim, and it's always good. It's always nice fishing these sort of locations, especially with your dad. Now guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on the Hook and the Crook. Please subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you on the water next week.
To give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.